make it happen for God.
Let's make it happen. Sup vlogs, so starting this day at the office. It's 11:41 and that's the team over here. Heading home now. That's Mariam, who's super scared of cats. आज विराज is going to travel in local train. क्या है? बताइए हमारे ऑडियंस को। रेड बुल्स का
बुल्स नहीं है भाई, ये हमने रखा है यहाँ पे। हमारा नाम मंकी है बट हम मेंटालिटी हमारी बुल वाली है भाई।
Oh, that was nice. We're running for the train.
On time. I actually don't sit, I just be around the gate.
And when was the last time?
We go like Feb 2020 types. It's been a while. It's like home, man.
The experience.
Fantastic ride, lot of good air finally. Great ride, MTS.
Yeah.
Loved this quick ride from Andheri to Kandivali, lot of memories.
Chalo.
You got it.
Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye. That's Viraj shared his experience of traveling after I guess 2 years. I also had fun, traveling with him, and he was just sharing his experience of traveling in Mumbai local. And good to know. So heading back home. Crazy day at work. Went to office at 10 and now it's 12. Just saying what it is, what happened. And as I said in my previous vlog, going happily home, that is what matters. The hustle is on, the grind is on, the journey is on. So see you tomorrow. Bye. And sorry for the bad audio because I don't have my mic with me. See you. Sup vlog, welcome to the Monday vlog, KFC today. So it was Komal's birthday this week and now we are getting the party, so with us we have so here Komal, we have Nisha over there. Here we have our KFC treat. Thanks Komal. So meet William, who works at Engrio, healthy bar. So if you are visiting Engrio, you can say hi to him. Today is 25th of November 2021 and back at our favorite place, that's Engrio, to shoot. I just got done with the shoot today. I didn't record much part of the work area because there were things to do. Having a great day again, happy day. And we'll be heading to the office now to put the equipments to the office. That's how this week is going on and see you tomorrow. That's Friday. Guess who's here? Just ended my vlog and Tejas is over here after a long time.
Yes, after a long time.
Yes, and so happy to meet the team at Engrio again.
Yes, we are also happy to meet Team Monkey. Yeah.
And also there's a fact that Tejas has, that is he wants to meet Ranveer. So just putting it over the vlog and manifesting it that
If
soon.
Ranveer is watching, Engrio is open for you always, 24/7.
Hopefully that happens soon. Reached office, kept all the equipments over there, and now heading back home. With me, Sairaj. So we'll be taking the local train and heading home. So Heti has prepared a tart.
Okay, so this is Gaudy's reaction to the tart. Go Gaudy. Performance pressure. Oh!
Good. Very good.
Now
Though it
let's-
doesn't look as a properly, but it tastes good.
It looks also nice on cam at least.
Going for one more.
Going for one more double. Ooh!
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
Wow!
Good job, Chef Eddie. Thank you. Cameraman Mahima के साथ. Gaudy. Signing off. Sup, so 2611 at the office, and here I have Divya.
What's
who
up, guys?
You must have seen on the previous vlog on his first day. New team member to introduce, and that is.
What's up?
You can say your name.
My name is Divya Fofani.
And today he has something to say.
So what's up guys, I see my man Gaudi doing all the hard work, posting a vlog every Monday. So he is at 743 subscribers if I'm
Yes,
not wrong.
743.
I have promised him that when he hits 1k subs, 1000 subscribers, I am going to give him his official merch. I am going to print a hoodie or a t-shirt
Yeah.
having his channel logo, having his name, and whoever will be the 1000 subscriber, Gaudi will have a special gift for them. So
That-
guys, subscribe. We want Gaudi to finish his 1000 subscribers by
This year.
this year.
This year end.
So I can gift him his official merch. Please, let's go.
Let's
I
do
know
it.
we can do it.
This is going to be crazy because I'm super much excited. We were just having this talk about this, and let's hope this happens.
Yeah, bhai, please kar do. 2021, let's make it happen for Gaudi.
Let's make it
Godwin
happen.
Vlogs.
Morning vlog. So today I and Godwin we just went to Borivali market and had to buy some flowers because we have some event tomorrow, and now that's done, and now heading back home. By the way, it's 27th of November, Tangochan's birthday. Sup vlog. So Sharon, how was your feeling after eating rabdi?
Hardest content and nothing can beat Rabdi. This is our usual hangout.
Yo, that's actually. So we got some more new youth over here. So yay! I vlog. I vlog.
ये vlog है, vlog.